Good afternoon, Mr. Oscar. I am going to do in this following interview.
Good afternoon, Mr. Santiago. Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Oscar Freddy Moreno.
How old are you?
I am 41 years old.
What is your marital status?
My marital status is married.
What is your occupation?
My occupation is production operator.
What is your academic training?
My academic training is systems technician.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is listening to music and painting ceramic pictures.
Okay, Mr. Oscar. What is your work experience?
I have been working in Indumil Sogamoso for 15 years as production operator.
Which are your personal qualities?
I am a responsible, optimist, and sincere person.
Okay, very well. What are your skills and weaknesses at work?
My skills are the teamwork. I am a very active and creative person. My weaknesses are I am a serious and very perfectionist person.
Okay, very well. Thank you, Mr. Oscar, for your time in this interview. Goodbye.
Okay, Mr. Santiago. Goodbye.